day it is to you. Currently in the Tesco, we're not allowed to say that, are we?
Nope. Other brands are available.
Supermarket value rally car. And day one, going well.
Very well so far.
A little bit wobbly, so the videos may get more wobbly because the wheel weight's been taken off the wheels to fit the car, which make it look amazing.
Yep, loads of people.
Lots of people.
Don't go too slow, mate. Don't go too slow.
Ready?
Don't go too slow. Ready?
Lots of people. What was I saying? Wheel weight's been taken off the car. Very wobbly, but looks cool.
Does look cool. Yeah.
Sounds amazing. Got the loudest horn known to man, and it is mounted to the bonnet. And we're having a great time.
Yes, sir.
Sit rep, day 3. Rob started driving this morning, and now I'm banned, and it's only 11 o'clock. We started at 9.
No more driving for you, Hobbit.
I'll see if I can clip a little video. We did film me driving for a little bit, and well, we were getting places quicker, weren't we?
Well, yeah, getting there quicker. We weren't stopping quite so fast.
No, I did find the limit of a 2001 Ford Fiesta brakes, but it's all good. So today, I think Rob's had a massive day. We're going to see if we can get Rob on a zip line later. Let's just hope that they've got a good weight limit.
Reinforced. Oh, they're doing an overtake. Rob is doing an overtake, and it's on a blind bed, and we're possibly gonna die. Nope. Woo!
And I'm not allowed to drive.
Yeah, baby. Why are you so quiet? Last time you went quiet, we lost the clutch.
I don't know if it's fun.
Why are you quiet?
John's back.
No. Just stop.
Oh. Happy. Sheep.
No. Oh, sorry. Oh. I hope you feel terrible. That little lamb absolutely bricked itself. Oh, I'm going to see that all day now. It jumped. I thought it was a goat. It would have been alright if it wasn't suckling in his mum's teeth. She's in worlds of pain. No. Oh,
Oh, sheep in the road. I saw that.
Break it. What the fuck? What? What's the road?
Right, I'm at Loch Ness, and I'm going to go find the Loch Ness monster. And I've got my flippers on, so I'm walking a bit dodgy, but wish me luck, and hopefully I'll find it.
Stupid twat.
You know you make me wanna shout. Look, my hands jumping, got my heart thumping. Come your head back, come on now. Don't you say you will? Yeah, don't forget yourself. Yeah. Say that you need me, say that you love me. Come on.
It's the last day.
Yes, finally we can go home.